In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the display of temperature on your Mac OS device, whether you want it to be displayed in Celsius or Fahrenheit measurement. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select Language and Region. On the right side now where it says temperature, select either Celsius or Fahrenheit, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.